Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down in order to find this apps section. Let's tap. Then let's tap on the 3-dot icon in the right upper corner and tap on special access. In this list, we have to localize the option Install Unknown Apps. Let's tap. And as you can see right here, we've got the apps which are allowed or not allowed, just like in my case, to install some content. And of course, we can change it, simply find the app and tap on the switcher. And from now on, the device, the Chrome, is allowed to install some content. It will work the same with all other apps. However, be aware that you're doing it on your own responsibility. Basically, third-party apps aren't verified by the developer, so you may put your data and actually whole device at risk. So really remember about that and choose the apps wisely. Of course, you can remove previously granted permissions just by tapping on the switcher again, or tapping on deny all if you've got a lot of apps marked, just like that. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.